Hi creative friends, it's Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit, and today we're going to be making some adorable felt bird bookmarks. To make this tweetiful project, you'll need some felt fabric, the printable template which you can get to the link in our description, sharp scissors, a hot glue gun with clear craft glue, a needle and thread, and some jumbo paper clips. To begin, head to sustainmycrafthabit.com to download the little template. Print it out and then roughly cut out the pieces of the template. Next, use these template pieces to cut out the different colors of the felt fabric. We used a lighter brown color for the body and darker brown for the wings. For the other birds, we used darker green and lighter green. So they're really cute as two tones of the same color. Just take your time with this. And it really helps to work with the pieces down on a solid surface to cut out the felt fabric. In the end, you're going to want to cut out 2 pieces for the body, 2 wings, 2 eyes, and the yellow felt for the beak. Now it's time to assemble the birds. You're going to begin by gluing the wings to the outer sides of the body using hot glue. Don't be afraid to trim off any little pieces if you need to as you go along. Next, carefully glue on each of the eyes as well as the beak. Now glue the 2 body halves together. It's time to add the jumbo paperclip. So lift up the one side of the wing and start sewing the paperclip in place. Just make sure you're sewing the right side of the paperclip or you won't be able to attach it to the book. Fasten off the thread and you're all done. We hope you enjoy these little birdie bookmarks for all your summer reading. Or make a bunch of them as a thank you gift for the teacher or just a handmade gift idea for friends and family. For more crafty ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!